Hello students, this is our last lecture on the application of double integration. So previously we find the region enclosed between the circle and the straight line. Here we see one example of polar coordinates, that how we find the area between two polar curves, that is find. Our question is find by integration the area lying inside the cardioid r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. This is our cardioid. And the outside of the circle r equal to a. So our region is outside the circle and inside the cardioid. So see how we find the region. Solution. First, you are given that r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. This is our cardioid. You can see this by draw the asymptotic lines by the help of asymptotes. So next, our circle is r equal to a, that is our radius is a. Here it is given our radius is a. Then see how we draw the diagram. That is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. Here given that r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. So our cardioid is this side, r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta is this is our cardioid. Then circle radius is a. So center is 0 0 and radius is a. So this is our 0 0 center and radius is a. Suppose that is a. And here so our radius is a. First we find the intersection point between the cardioid and the circle. First here given r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta and r equal to a. So equating this to a into 1 plus cos theta equal to a. So that implies 1 plus cos theta equal to 1. So that implies cos theta equal to 0. That implies theta equal to pi by 2. So our theta is equal to pi by 2. Then our circle is so this is our circle r equal to a. So that is our r equal to a and this one is our r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. And here it is given that find by the integration the area lying inside the cardioid and outside the circle. So outside the circle means that portion and inside the cardioid. So that is inside. So our region is that portion is our region. So for finding the region, first we draw a line, that is the line L and here it is the radius A. So next we find the area outside the circle and inside the cardioid. So our required area equal to So here it is two polar curves, so our formula is double integration over r dr d theta. So first we find the limits of the integration. So first r is from a to a into 1 plus cos theta. First we integrate with respect to r, then we integrate with respect to theta. So first we find the limits of r. So r is from a to r equal to a, this circle is r equal to a, r equal to a to r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. So r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, and this is r dr, and theta is from 0 to pi by 2. Theta is from 0 to pi by 2. So theta is from 0 to pi by 2 d theta. Then we integrate with respect to r, then integrate with respect to theta. So that is equal to theta is from 0 to pi by 2, and this integration is r square by 2, and limit r is from a to a into 1 plus cos theta d theta. Then that is equal to 1 by 2 goes outside, and theta is from 0 to pi by 2, and r square limit is from a to a into 1 plus cos theta d theta. So 1 by 2 into integration of theta is from 0 to pi by 2, and this is our a square into 1 plus cos theta whole square minus a square into d theta. Then we take common a square, so that is equal to a square divided by 2 into theta is from 0 to pi by 2, and this whole square is 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta, and this is minus 1 d theta. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, then a square by 2, integration is from theta is from 0 to pi by 2 cos square theta d theta, plus 2 goes outside, and integration theta is from 0 to pi by 2 cos theta d theta. Then that is equal to a square by 2. Here we put reduction formula for cos square theta. So this is 1 by 2 into pi by 2 plus 2 into integration of cos theta is sin theta, and theta is from 0 to pi by 2, that is equal to a square divided by 2. This one is pi by 4 plus 2 into sin pi by 2 is our 1 minus 0. So that will be pi a square divided by 8 plus a square is equal to a square, we take common a square divided by 4, so that is pi by 2 plus 4. So that is equal to a square divided by 8 into pi plus 8. So next we see here our region is from this side and this side. So we find the region this to this and upper half. For lower half we multiply this area by 2. So this is a equal to 2 into double integration over r into r dr d theta. That is a equal to double integration 2 into double integration over r dr d theta. So our r dr d theta is this much. So 2 into a square divided by 8 into pi plus 8. So that is a square divided by 4 into pi plus 8. So this is our required region for the area lying inside the cardioid and outside the circle. So any doubt in this session, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you students.